Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about gunas in relation to grahas, that is planets in astrology. Those of you who want to understand gunas in Vedic astrology in more brief, I've already made a video before. So you can watch that video first and then come to this video. So just to recall, there are three gunas in Vedic astrology: Sattvic guna, Rajasic guna and Tamasic guna. So today, like I told you, I will be discussing कि जो ये planets होते हैं Vedic astrology में, वो उनको हमने किन किन गुनाज में assign करा हुआ है. So let's start with Sattvic planets, that are planets with Sattvic qualities. So these are three planets: Sun, Moon and Jupiter. So Sattvic planets simply shows you your true self. It shows you the spiritual qualities that are in you. So these are the planets that show you the philosophical side, the higher side of your consciousness. So without these planets, we do not exist on this plane called Earth. So let's start with Sun. So Sun is a natural Sattvic planet because Sun gives us heat. He is the guiding light out there. Without him, life wouldn't exist. Sun shows you your true soul. Sun shows you the truth of who you are, since it is your ego. Then we are coming to the second Sattvic planet, that is Moon. So practically speaking, Moon rules the motion and the tides, so the water and everything stays balanced. And Moon teaches you the unconditional love and how love is the most powerful source of happiness out there. And then lastly, the third Sattvic planet is Jupiter, Guru. So Jupiter being the biggest planet, it also protects Earth and every planet from being hit by meteoroids. Otherwise, life would have just ended if it wasn't for Jupiter guarding us from all these things. And through Jupiter, you learn the higher philosophical guidance of God, guidance of philosophy and religion. So that's the purest planets. Without them, we don't exist. Now let's go to the Rajasic planets, the Rajasic gunas. So Rajasic simply means things that give you happiness, things that give you pleasure. Anything that gives you happiness on this material plane is Rajasic guna. And the two planets associated with Rajasic qualities are Venus and Mercury. So Venus and Mercury are both planets of pleasure. So let's talk about first Mercury. Mercury is a prince. He likes to hop around from one place to another. I will be talking about that in my upcoming videos about Mercury. So Mercury is all about communicating with people, exploring around, having fun, logically looking at the world and gaining knowledge from it. And then we come to Venus. Venus wants love. Venus wants luxury. Venus wants comforts. Venus likes that fine wine, that fine foods. So Venus doesn't want to go out there in the world and work and fight. Venus doesn't want dal chawal. Venus wants biryani. Venus likes to be pampered basically. So when Venus and Mercury के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं, we are talking about the Rajas gunas. They are all about having fun in life, whether it's through love, whether it's through communication or through any other pleasure. Now we're coming to the Tamasic planets. So there are four Tamasic planets. Tamasic planets are Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. So let's start with Mars. So what is Mars? Mars is red. Mars is anger. Mars is a soldier. So what happens is Mars brings anger in us. So because what happens, Mars जो होता है, it is out there defending what he values, defending what he believes is right. And Mars, when Mars is provoked, he gets angry. And without that anger, he is not able to defend himself. So that is why Mars becomes a natural Tamasic planet. And then we have Saturn. Saturn is also a natural Tamasic planet because Saturn brings fear in you. People are fearful of Saturn. They are fearful of limitations in life. When a Saturn Dasha comes, people are like, oh my God, I'm going to lose my job. I'm going to lose my money. I'm not going to able to do this. I'm not being able to do that. This is because Saturn puts limitations on you. It puts boundaries around you. Saturn says you cannot exit this boundary of reality. You cannot go into your fantasy land when I'm operating in your chart. So it is a fear that Saturn brings. And then we have Rahu and Ketu. They bring confusion in their Mahadasha and Antardasha. Ketu time period, you will go into isolation. Ketu time period gets you into spirituality, mysticism, occult, because you're so confused in your life that you're seeking answers. And the best way to seek those answers is to go towards spirituality. And then we talk about Rahu. Rahu is not just about creating illusions in your life and those materialistic desires of fame and money. but Rahu is also about creating smoke around you, confusing you, what is real, what is not. So, but also Tamas is the quality that protects us. Why? Because we are afraid. If I go to a jungle without wearing my shoes, chance है कि मुझे सांप काट ले या मुझे कांटा चुभ जाए, right? तो उसी तरीके से what happens is that you protect yourself. In fact, इसी वजह से Mars falls under the Tamas quality and not the Rajas quality. So like I said, Mars is a quality that brings in violence, but it also brings in violence so that you can protect yourself. मान लीजिए you have a weapon. You have a weapon and either you can kill someone with that weapon for no apparent reason because of your psychological delusions, or you can use that weapon against someone who's coming against you to harm you or your family. So this is how these Rahu, Ketu, Saturn and Mars work. So guys, this was my analysis of gunas in relation to grahas, that is planets. So if you're seeking spirituality in life, then you have to focus on Sun, Moon and Jupiter. These become very important planets. If you're seeking pleasure, then you look at Mercury and Venus. And if you're looking to see where your obstacles are, what are the things you might have to fight or might be scared from, then you look at Mars, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. So these are the basic qualities of Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic planets, which pretty much means malefic, benefic and neutral planets. Or in layman terms, what is the dignity of the graha in your birth chart? ऐसे तो जो हमारे रजासिक, थमासिक, सात्विक ग्रहास होते हैं, they change also. There is a way to find out कि कैसे आपका रजासिक planet थमासिक planet पे convert हो रहा है या थमासिक planet सात्विक planet पे convert हो रहा है. I will be talking about that in my upcoming videos. But this was the basic overview कि हम planets को इन गुनास के through analyze कैसे करते हैं. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, subscribe below, and if you want to know the dignity of the grahas in your birth chart, reach out to us. Okay, see you in the next one.